A shower liner is a sheet that used inside the bathroom to avoid shower water from getting onto the floor. The shower liner also keeps the shower curtain and prevents mold from growing. A shower curtain goes outside the liner, and it delivers privacy and attractive value. It makes an attractive vibe in your bathroom. While reviewing bath curtain liners, it's important to consider their cost, as well as how effectively they prevent water from getting into your washroom floor. The atmosphere of your bathroom will always remain fresh and moisture-free. Pleasant surface. There are many products available to choose. Plastic shower curtains, each with different features, benefits, and prices. To help you make a knowledgeable decision, I did widespread research, read lots of reviews, and assembled a list of the best plastic shower curtain from respectable brands. After several research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's go to the video. Number 1. Liba Mildew Resistant Shower Liners. Product description. Liba Piva Bathroom Shower Curtain Liner is a non-toxic and eco-friendly for your bathroom. It is special aqua shield design created to repel water and to promote water bead formation, so water swiftly rolls off the surface, keeping your bathroom dry and clean. With 3 timeless color options to choose from, use it as a stand-alone curtain for a bright and airy atmosphere, or pair it with your favorite fabric shower curtain. It comes in 3 finishes: white, clear, and frosted. Its material is ethylene vinyl acetate, measuring 72-inch length x 72-inch width. You can use Liba shower liner any standard size shower or beside the tub. If you have a conventional or bent shower rod here, also you can use it. It has 3 heavy-duty magnets on the end for keep the curtain in selected place and away from your body. Also for avoiding irritating situation. Here used for made 100% high quality and eco-friendly PVA material, containing meaningfully unstable organic complexes than PVC liners. Liba's PVA shower liner is surely the better selection for you and your family's health. Liba curtain liner is preserved with advanced technology. That's why your shower liner stays fresher longer. Liba shower curtain liners are designed to last. If an item is defective or teared within a year, you can make a replacement. Positive impact of the product: it dried instantly. Soap scum resistant and easy to clean. Thicker and stronger. Does not make unpleasant smells. It is very convenient and durable. Number 2. Barasa Design Shower Curtain Liner. Product description. Magnetic shower curtain liner for your bathtub. 6 bottom magnets help keep the premium clear heavy shower liner in place. The clear shower curtain is water repellent and no leaking. Keep the water into your tub compared to other fabric liners. Use of an inside shower liner and stand-alone shower curtain. Heavy-duty PVA material, and no lightweight or thin. This vinyl is chemical odor-free shower curtain liner. It is PVC-free and BPA-free. It is non-rusting metal grommets and reinforced gold to prevent top holes from tearing. Also 100% risk-free. This is made by 72 width x 72 length standard size. The see-through inner shower liner will fit your bathroom scheme at any home. We are insured to source the newest plans and accessories for your restroom. The store offers a variety of shower curtain liners, box spring covers, kitchen curtains, and more. The items are designed with quality in mind and are perfect for everyday use. They're straightforward and practical, making them great for real-life situations. Positive impact of the product: it is non-toxic and PVC-free, heavy and thick, chemical-free and BPA-free, waterproof and doesn't make any leak. Number 3. N&Y Home Fabric Shower Curtain Liner. Product description: fabric shower curtain liner with 2 magnets 100 GSM thick, and made of 100% premium polyester fabric for your bathroom. Its superior quality polyester liner is applicable for hotel and home decor. Its fabric is to let water beads stay on the surface and dry quickly. If you need solid waterproof one, then you can try our TPU liner. Reinforced top header with 12 buttonholes, prevents from tearing, and promotes the shower curtain liner long-lasting. 2 magnets on bottom corners. High quality fabric with no vinyl and PVC smell. Best replacement of PVC or PVA for bathroom decoration. Machine washable for easy home care. Keep your shower curtain fresh and clean. Rinse and dry quickly. 70 width by 72 length inches. Standard size available for any standard bathroom shower or bathtub. Made from high-quality polyester fabric material. Unlike PVC, Loudon vinyl and plastic alternatives, allow water glide off easily and give waterless space quickly, decent to resist soaked, and it perform as a machine washable object, also have ability to keep fresh and clean. Positive impact of the product, rinse and dry quickly, easy to wash and clean, soak water well, easy to install. Number 4. Bostafi Shower Curtain Liners. Product description. This shower curtain is really thick, solid and strong. Also, it does not fly in air or move with airflow. It is not sticky when you are taking bath. It have 3 magnets on the end to save the liner in place, and totally no water gets out onto the floor. EVA material is used for made the shower liner. It gives to you bathroom environment. A waterproof shower liner will help keep the surface of the liner clean and free from moisture, which in turn gives a fresh feeling for taking showers or baths. Since shower curtains are often made out of thin material that can tear easily due to water pressure, it is nice to have a thicker option with reinforced grommets that won't break. The design is clear with pearl white pebbles dispersed throughout, so you can see through it, but still have some privacy. It measures 72 x 72 inches, and fits most standard size bathtubs, bathtub or showers, tall and suitable for straight or curved shower liner rods. The shower curtain liner is ideal for campers, home and many more. Positive impact of the product. Heavy liability with bottom magnet, prevent tearing and last for long-term use. 100% EVA. It is more easy to clean and preserve with a damp cloth. Number 5. Downlux Shower Curtain Liners. Product description. The shower curtain liner is a great choice for you and your family, as it will keep them clean and dry while in the shower or tub. It measures 72 inch or 183 centimeters. It have 8 gauge and 0.2 millimeters each gauge thickness, so there's little chance of water seeping through to the floor. Furthermore, it's well made and sturdy. It would be difficult for this liner to tear or bunch up. In fact, it's highly unlikely that anything could go wrong with it. It has strong quality of life issues over many years, which has led us to use 100% top quality PVA material. Does this product perform its intended function admirably, but also stays resistant against wear and tear? As an added bonus, pun fully intended, the repellent properties mean that you won't have problems keeping your bathroom floors dry. 3. To keep the shower curtain liners in place, weighted magnets are attached to the side of the tub. This reduces blowing when you take a shower, preventing water from entering and ruining your clothes. Reinforced top header with 12 metal grommets can make this plastic shower curtain liner easy to hang and hard to tear. It is 100% waterproof shower curtain. Positive impact of the product. Made of premium quality material, easy to install, durable and long-lasting, easy to clean and maintain, dry quickly and keep bathroom floor surface clean. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.